that I'm doing, and I hope you guys will be proud or want to be part of it, all right? I have been negotiating and having dialogue now with the Unified School District. I want to bring in, after the Pledge of Allegiance, they're still standing, and each child in a circle says what they're grateful for this morning. When you're in the room, 1 minute of silence to feel each other's heartbeats. 1 minute. Oh, somebody tell me, what are you grateful for today? Wow.
I'm grateful that you came here so that our students can understand the things that we've been trying to teach them about the Holocaust.
What do you guys, anybody, what are you grateful for?
My family.
Your family.
For everything.
For everything.
For life.
For life. The 11 teachers down at the school. Somebody told me that they want a hug or a group hug.
Everybody joins in.
Yeah.
Be out there today.
And after all this love that I got, made up for the pain, and you know what? You're all my boyfriends and girlfriends.
It's the Gratitude Buddy Circle. Wake up in the morning, can't stop yawning. You're into shakedown for school. Get out of bed, you sleepyhead. Take it to school, to the circle of gratitude. Feed them life, feed them hope, feed them the glory of being alive. Hold their hands, hold them close, give them their place, give them their place on this earth. Their eyes call out for you to guide them. Their words are peace, their hearts are open. You can't take their love away. You can't take their hope away. Feed them life, feed them hope, feed them the glory of being alive.
For human kindness, understanding, and respect, in the name of love for humanity and peace.